guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have my March IPSY Glam Bag Plus to share with you guys. So the bag this month, which I've complained because I don't actually want the bags, but I like this one. I thought that it was really cute. I love the different colors and that it says unstoppable. Just thought that was adorbs. Okay, so the actual products, this is the coffee scrub. I do actually have this already. I have a full size. I went through this phase where I was obsessed with coffee scrubs, and so I got one from like all of the different coffee scrub companies. They do make quite a mess of your shower or bathtub, but I really, really love them. The caffeine from the coffee is supposed to help with all sorts of things, and it's just a really good scrub for your whole body. You can even put it on your face and just, you know, be super gentle, and it smells really good. This one is coconut. They do have different scents or flavors, but the coconut one does have, like, you know, coconut bits in it, and coconut's great for everything too, right? This is the item that I chose. This is the THEBALM Cosmetics AUTOBALM Girl Powder, and it has super cute packaging. First of all, looks like a little license plate, and it's a tin thing, and it has a big mirror in there, and then you have 4 blushes, 3 matte shades, and then 1 sparkly one. So I do have this on today, and the pans are a little bit on the small side, so I took my brush and kind of swirled it through all 3 colors, but you can kind of pinpoint if you want more of like this paler peachy or a rosy or more of like a bronzy pink color. And then the shimmery one you can use on its own, or you can use it as a highlight. On its own, it doesn't have that much color, so I do prefer it as a topper or highlight shade, but I love it. I think that they go on really beautifully. The colors are gorgeous. All of the reviews that I've seen on this have been positive. It has a little pink tab here so that you can easily pull this out, and then you can just have the case, you know, for whatever else you want to use it for. So, and I think you might be able to pull the pans out. They're glued in there, but I started to pull one out, and I was like, you know, maybe for extra room so that I could space them out if I don't necessarily want all 3 colors on my big blush brush. But anyway, I love this. I think it's wonderful. The lip color that I'm wearing is Phase Zero Makeup Matte Liquid Lipstick in Undercover. They describe this as more of a mauvey pink, and I feel like on me it does not look particularly mauvey. It looks more of a bright pink. The formula on this is very thin. It is matte and it is a bit dry. I'll show you on my hand. It, you know, has great coverage, but I do prefer it with 2 coats. Maybe just because it's thin, but I don't know. I just felt like it looked better with 2 coats on me. It does feel very lightweight. So if you don't have dry lips naturally, this would probably be really great. For me, I usually end up using it with a lip balm later throughout the day because, you know, it's just, that's liquid lipsticks for you though. Yet another liquid eyeliner in felt tip form. Yesterday I used this and I was like, you know, it actually goes on really nicely. It had kind of a shiny vinyl sort of a finish, and it was definitely waterproof. I splashed water on my face. I mean, I wasn't like scrubbing at it or anything, but it stayed put. So for that, I liked it. The size of it and everything is fine. But then today when I used it, it just, you know, it's like the marker dried out already. And on this eye, it looks really patchy, and I just could not get it to look that great. On this eye turned out a little bit better, but it just, you know, the tip dries out so quickly. It starts to fray, and you can't get that same, I mean, like, that already is not nearly as intense as it was yesterday. And like I said, yesterday it came out kind of shiny, and today it looks dull. So felt tip eyeliners just are not good, which sucks. Because I like this brand too, SERAPHINE Botanicals, and everything in here is like cruelty-free and all that good stuff. So that's nice. I like that IPSY does that. This is from Complex Culture. This is Precision Concealer Brush. I got another brush from this company that I really liked. It was like a bigger, fluffy brush that you could use for powder or contour or blush. It's a really great brush, and I do use it frequently. This one it has kind of like this triangle shape, and it is pretty darn dense. I used it for my concealer today, and I thought that it did a really good job of just blending things out really nicely. It's very soft. It has kind of a tapered edge, so it's you know, you get a good blend, and because of these pointy triangular bits, you can get into smaller areas around your nose, your mouth, whatever, you know. So I actually really like this. I'm digging this company's brushes. And then the last thing in here is from Hey Honey. I've gotten several of their skincare products, and this one is a concealer with skincare benefits in it. So it has active propolis, which I think is what you get from honey. It is made with honey. So this one is not vegan, but I think everything else is. I have it on today. The color itself, this is for light medium, I believe. Yeah, light to medium, but it's just a little bit too pale for me. I feel like I did an okay job mixing it in today, but it's a little bit on the fair side. It's not super heavy coverage, but I thought that it does a good job of not being like, you know, it, like, you can still see your skin underneath, but it does a good job of kind of, you know, just covering up some areas. And I like the way that it feels. I wore it all day yesterday, and I did have to kind of smoosh out my wrinkles a little bit, but you know, that happens. I haven't found anything that I don't have to do that with, but it does feel hydrating, and it's supposed to have those antibacterial ingredients for if you're covering up like acne and stuff like that. So I'm really liking this. I think that it's great. I do think that the color might be a little too fair for me, which sucks, but as far as the formula, I think it's really great. Anyway, that is my box. I'm really happy with everything. Yes, the eyeliner sucks. I don't know why they continue to send every single box has a marker eyeliner and none of them are good. Like, you know, send me a good eyeliner. I love eyeliner. Eyeliner is like the one thing that okay, well, something on my lips and eyeliner. So anyway, let me know what you guys got in your box. How's it going with your boxes? Have you switched to the Ultimate? Are you sticking with the small one? I know a lot of you have said that you were getting the Plus for a while and then went back to the regular, you know, little bag. So anyway, let me know how IPSY's been treating you lately and what you thought of these products. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!